how have you been able to create this? I know it's not a fast journey, but how were you able to do this?
One person at a time, one day at a time, one seat at a time, never, ever retreating on my dreams. Okay? You know what I want?
What do you want?
I want to take over the world. You know what I'm going to need to do it? An army. Okay? But I believe in a SEAL team. I don't need numbers. Okay? 90% of the people are just targets. Okay? They think they want it. They think they're great. And by the way, if you're unreal at sales, okay, and you come to me and you're like, dude, I want to work for you. I'm the best sales guy in the world. If you don't have my beliefs, if you don't have them, we don't believe the same, there's no ways. I'm out. I'd rather hire somebody who's hungry and wants an opportunity than somebody with experience and education. Bro, if you want to be a leader, so how do you build this? Number one, by you being who you want me to be. If you tell me I can be a badass, then you better be a badass. Because if I'm looking at you and you're not a badass, but you're telling me to be one, well then I'm not going to be one either because I ain't seen one. Okay? So rule number one, I kick ass. I close everybody, anytime, any place, anywhere, it doesn't matter. I'm the lead. I'm in the gym in the morning. I'm disciplined. I take care of my family. I put God first. I do all these things right. I'm a great father to my kids. No matter how old you are, there's going to be a day you're going to have a family. So I'm going to show you what that looks like now to take care of that family and to have business. I'm going to show you how to be multidimensional, how to have it all. And then you want to build this? You're going to see what I have and you're going to say, God, I want that. And I'm going to say, listen to me. So if I give you an opportunity to be around me, I will teach you how to have those things. But I require loyalty and I require trust. Okay?